Good morning, happy Sunday everyone. Tara na mag-exercise ngayong umaga. Mag-stretch tayo ng ating katawan. For today's video, i-share ko sa inyo ang aking leg stretching. Umagang exercise, mag-stretch tayo ng legs for 10 counts. And then, may kasunod yan na leg exercise pa din. Stretch tayo, ayan. Hand raise, frontal arm raise, and then leg bending. Both left and right. I-bend natin siya, nakahang siya ng 10 seconds, saka ibababa at uulitin ulit. 10 counts each for left and right. Last exercise natin ay yung toe squatting. So, ibig sabihin nito, iaangat natin yung toe natin and then hang siya for 10 seconds. 10 counts habang naka-arm raise. Iaangat natin yan. Ayan, naka-up siya ng 10 bilang bago ibababa. This is for my toe standing and for my leg strengthening exercise. Kaya kailangan gawin din para tumibay ang aking ugat at buto sa aking katawan. Thank you for watching. Patapos ng video and don't skip my ads.